Hi, this is Michael. And I haven't been cooking in a while, but I decided to do a cooking show with chicken thighs, um, barbecue sauce, um, some pineapples, onions, and potatoes, and some water. We're going to put that in a instant pot and cook it for about 3 hours, and it's gonna be tasty. I'm gonna name it Emperor's Chicken Thighs with with pineapple. He likes pineapple, and so that's why I thought that I'll do that. Anyway, this is the process. I need to cut the. I think I might mandarin like fries the potatoes, and the onions I'll just cut up, and the thighs we'll put on the bottom, and then we'll build from there. You can turn the saute function on the, and then put the thighs in here. I'm just gonna do the thighs. Last time I just did the thighs without sauteing them, but it's either way. It's whatever way you want to go. Here's some potatoes I used to fry, and then throw them into the pot. I'm mixing some more pineapples and the rest of the barbecue sauce plus the onion, and so to drop on top of it, and then we'll cook it. This is what the pineapple um, emperor's thighs pineapple meal looks like. The potatoes and everything. I'm gonna add some cheese and something else. This is the sauce it looks like. We'll put some of that on there. Looks tasty. It's tender. Emperor's chicken thigh with pineapple. Hope you like it. If you have a instant pot, you can make this and go to work and come home and it's already made for you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and watch some more videos. Thanks. Bye.